Then we are just so sorry for the long time. So I just played this talk evil. I don't know what talks of evil tree and well, okay, you don't see the sound. Okay, don't saw the sound. Okay, so get sound. What's this?
Họ thì cũng chiều theo ý nó, nên hôm qua kêu tôi ra mà biểu tôi qua bên này dò hỏi thử trước coi.
Okay, that's actually you have to play this down on Google Play Store like or Happy Mod. Actually like that. Actually it's just fun. You have to buy you have to find the Happy Mod to get it actually. It's possible on Android, iOS, I don't know, and PC not. It's only for iOS and Android. You can download now on Google. Actually, sad to say Happy Mod. Thanks. Okay, should we? Oh, thanks. Ah, damn it, I hate this. No, won't PO! Are you freaking kidding me? Are you serious? So that's ad should be 24 bits. 20 bits truck. Blue truck. Go! Go! I have to go quick. I will PO so I don't want to watch ads. For the Wilbur gas station. Oh my god, this is VS. VS. Oh my god, yes. Thank god. Thank god. Okay, it's me. Okay, we back. Oh, I just have to that. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh, just freaking. Are you freaking kidding me? Okay, this looks like Michael Trevor and Franklin in the T5. No, can't feel. Are you kidding me? I just had to stop. Okay. Shit. Okay, it's full. I just full that shuttle. I just screen recorded, bro. I don't have to, okay, so I had to do this. Yeah, look, I'm faster. This is like you booked the game, can I book the game or something? You know, it's just, wow, the two hands now. Good job. Why am I? Oh, you booked the game, or you just booked the game? Oh my god, I just booked the game. I did not. Now it's still like this, well, it's like, ooh, can we book the game? Like, can we book the game? Oh my god, just booked the game. Well, I used to. Oh, it's up. Oh my god, I think I'm just sick. Okay, we're going. I don't know, still following. And we are going to here. So, oh, I don't want to go. I don't want to go. Is that why it's back? Is that our diapers or something? I don't know. It's just concrete. You know, it's just freaking take. This is stupid. Okay, I'm stupid. I look stupid. Okay, it's not true. Walk. Let me walk. Let me walk. What's this says? The says of what? What? Mass? I don't know. I don't know what's this truck doing this. Wow, how many wheels there? Wow, there are so many wheels. I got one. We need to break the cables. Okay, actually, I gotta go. Don't take forever, okay. God, go. Oh my god! No. Okay, come on. Oh, he's an idiot. I'm an idiot. Okay. So, oh my god, you're freaking kidding me. Oh, get out! I want to cut my turbo. Okay. Get out of the way! It's just actually. Oh my god. I just caught the best. I'm sorry. Oh, no. What I'm supposed to. My truck is very slow. What happened? I sweep and the damage. Oh my god. Just okay. Smaller now. Or big. Oh, I just had to go to 50. Okay, just actually making else. Okay, braking. Okay, there's. I don't want to move. We have to move. We have to move. Just we have fun. Okay, just break. Oh, break! Don't damage the truck. Oh my god! I just owned the street. Okay, no, don't do that. Run away, bitch. Run away, big man. Like GTS. Wait, actually, look at my feet. My toes are dirty. I use these socks. I use my feet and toes. My total. Oh, here we go. My toes. Okay, here we go. That's the shit. Oh, okay. It says Michael from GTA. This truck is like in Russia. Oh, Russia, the fit. Okay, I'll just do that, and we're going to do over here. But I don't know. I don't think just turn around. I don't want to be an accident. Oh no. I have to quit. I should get back. Run away! Run away! I drove faster than me. God, I just drove faster than the truck. Okay, go. Okay, so. Turn up! Turn up! Oh my god, go. Get it, go. I'm not doing the pedal so this because I got a hill. We're going downhill the street. Actually, they're so far away. Or like 2 km street. So, some 3 miles away. Why did I hit? Oh my god, it keeps shaking. My camera shaking. Oh my god. No! How much my truck now? Oh my god, go use the gun. Go! Okay, I just have to episode 2, so I stay right here on the game stream. Okay, park me here, so I'll be park here. It's we have to get in people. Okay, I had to go stop this stuff. So bye. So that took forever and to get the bottle. So I gotta stay here to get this thing. So I have to go eat first. Bye.